Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download overlay videos in CapCut. So to start, go to YouTube and perform a search for overlays for CapCut. You will come across numerous videos offering overlays. Choose any one of them that you prefer and you can use your preferred online downloading website to obtain the overlay videos. For example, let's say we downloaded this specific overlay video. After downloading the overlay, launch CapCut. You should already have imported your image or video into the program. Now at the bottom, you will see various options like edit, text and overlay. Click on overlay and then add the overlay that you just downloaded. Next, you can select the blending mode. In our case, lightning works the best, so we will choose that. This is the process for downloading and uploading overlays in CapCut. So if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.